Mango on a fork.
Finally, I got the new iPhone.
I promise you will love it. Just relax tonight with Edgy till I die. All these lollies call me rubbing on her die.
Top 5 Scariest Jumpscares. Scary Alerts. Número 5.
What?
We're flying to Philadelphia.
Oh, hell no!
That's the
Oh, hell no! Whoa!
Oh, what's this? Oh, thank God.
Going on right behind her, isn't there? He. Well, that's gonna make it kind of hard to focus, but here we go. An ode to the...
The end.